Friends, let me give you a very, very brief background. What is this bonus all about? Friends, we are talking about bonus to the policy holders. Policy holders means customers, those who are with us for a certain duration. You are all aware that policies are for relatively long term, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, whole life. Every life insurance company conducts what is called a valuation of its assets and liabilities at the end of every financial year. What is valuation? Valuation is something like closing of accounts. It is something like assessment of profit and loss for any kind of company, a trading company or any manufacturing company. In a life insurance company, that process is called valuation. More technically, it is called actuarial valuation. The valuation of assets and liabilities results in arriving at what is called surplus. Technically, it is called surplus. In common language, we can call it profit. In a life insurance company, we call it surplus. And this surplus, which is actually the profit of any life insurance company, is generated at the end of every financial year based on the income and expenses, assets and liabilities. Life insurance, friends, is a highly technical subject where the liabilities are very long term, 15 years, 20 years, whole life. Unpredictable liabilities are there. We never know how many people are going to die this year, next year, next year. We don't know. Another pandemic may happen. We don't know what is going to happen. So assets and liabilities, particularly liabilities, are assessed in a highly technical manner. You know, there are experts called actuaries who do this valuation. In a very simple language, friends, for the financial year 2021, our actuaries have arrived at certain profit, certain amount of surplus, out of which LICI distributes 95% as bonus to its policyholders. 95% of the profit, the surplus, is given away to the policyholders in the form of bonus. In the last financial year, this amount was 14 million, and this year, when I say this year means for the financial year 2021, as at 31st December 2021, it is 16 million. What we are distributing is 14% more than what we did in the previous year. And I must tell you, friends, this is in spite of the tough situation which we had to face in the financial year 2021 due to very, very obvious reasons of pandemic, lockdown, restriction on the movement, job losses and whatnot. In spite of all the hurdles, LICI has done very well to increase the surplus, increase the bonus by almost 14%. So almost $16 million will be distributed among the policyholders. Now, how this is distributed? Friends, this bonus is distributed to the policyholders based on the type of policy which they have purchased. Now, what is this type? There are various types. When I say type means it can be single premium, it can be regular premium, it can be very long term, it can be whole life, it can be endowment, it can be money back, it can be of a smaller sum assured, it can be of a bigger sum assured. So based on all these factors, bonus is declared. Bonus is announced for every policy. For every different policy, for different term, bonus is declared. This bonus becomes attached to the policies for that particular year. Bonus is announced every year, friends, as a result of the valuation at the end of every financial year. Bonus is declared. And that bonus gets attached to the policyholder, a policy of the policyholder. What do you mean by attached? Attached means there is a policy, it gets attached. It's only there on the books. It will not be paid to the policyholder immediately. Policyholder will receive that bonus along with sum assured at the time of maturity. Now, what is maturity? When the term of the policy ends, the term may be 10 years, 15 years, 20 years. When the term expires, maturity claim is paid. Maturity claim is sum assured along with the bonus. So this is paid at the time of maturity. In case of unfortunate death of the policyholder, within the term of the policy, for a 100,000 policy, the bonus declared is $3,400. 3,400. In simple terms, the way the bonus is declared, it is $34 per 1,000 sum assured. Just to give you one example, there are various rates, less than 34 also and more than 34 also. I'm just quoting one representative rate, $34 per thousand. So when the sum assured is 100,000, it will be $3,400. So 5 years, 3,400 into 5, along with the sum assured and accident benefit, that will be paid to the policyholder. So this is the concept of bonus. You can say it is the interest. You can say it is the reward for the loyalty of the policyholder. To reward a loyal policyholder, there is one more bonus that is declared, and that is called final additional bonus. It's also called terminal bonus. And this is added at the end of the term only, not in between. If the term is say 15 years or 10 years or 20 years, at the time of maturity, besides the regular annual bonus, one extra bonus is also given, which is called the terminal bonus. So two types of bonuses are given, added to the policy, which enhances the value of the policy. And I must tell you friends, for 100,000 policy, for 100,000 sum assured policy, what a customer gets at the time of maturity is almost 100,000 plus another 70 to 80,000 as bonus, which is excellent by any standards. When you take into account the invaluable life insurance cover, which is also being provided, besides the accident benefit cover and disability cover and term insurance cover and critical illness rider. So these are the features of the policy and the bonus which we are declaring now. So we are happy to reward our loyal customers. We thank the customers for their wonderful patronage to the company for the last so many years.